Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristin and I thought today would be a great time to talk about a couple different ways that you can save money when you're doing your Black Friday shopping this year. Obviously, this Black Friday is going to look a little bit different than the Black Fridays we're used to. And in some ways, I think that's great because everything just seemed to be getting so wild out there for Black Friday. So I don't necessarily think it's a bad thing that we have to dial back a little bit this year. The one major difference that we're seeing is that most retailers have instituted more of a month of Black Friday sales. And of course, this is related to their online sales, which are up about a bajillion% this year. And of course, Black Friday won't be any different. So we are going to see such an extreme amount of online sales this holiday shopping season. And most retailers have announced that they are going to be having Black Friday sales and deals and specials throughout the entire month of November. So I really just wanted to give you a couple tips, especially if you're not someone who normally does your Black Friday shopping online and you're used to going into the store. This year will definitely feel different, but it's okay. I'm here for you. I got you. I have some tips for you. Let's talk about them. So tip number one, of course, is to do your research. As the consumer, it's your responsibility to make sure that you know what's going on out there, right? It's likely that you're going to spend a decent amount of money for the holidays. So I want you to just take some time, do your research, and make sure you can stretch your dollars as far as possible and make sure that you're using that money wisely to get the best deals. Because I think the thing is, sometimes these Black Friday deals seem amazing, but I also think that sometimes retailers tend to inflate the price a little bit to make it look like you're getting an even better deal than you may actually be getting. So do some research, make a list, check out the normal price of these items, and then start doing some research online, looking at the Black Friday specials, looking at the circulars, looking at even the ads that are coming to your house. And if you're a nerd like I am, you may even make a spreadsheet to catalog all of your information. If not, that's okay. Pen and paper will work just fine. But it would be a great idea to come up with a little bit of a plan of where you want to buy your items, where you're going to find the better deals. And that way you know exactly what websites to head to, exactly what you're going to be spending, and you're not going to end up purchasing something and seeing it somewhere else for way less money. Tip number two is to get cash back when you shop. So especially when you're shopping online, use sites that are going to give you cash back on your purchases. One of the sites I've been using a lot lately is called Top Cash Back, and they partner with over 4,000 retailers. So it's very likely that the stores you are purchasing on are going to participate with Top Cash Back, and you can actually earn cash back on your purchases. Now, Top Cash Back is unique because they actually pass on 100% of their commission to you, the consumer, which means you're going to consistently find higher cashback amounts on their site versus some of their competitors. To use Top Cashback, it's really simple. You just head to their website, you go ahead and you create an account online. You can save money when shopping with all of your favorite retailers, including CVS, Walgreens, Sephora, Costco, Dollar Tree, Ray's, Dollar General, and even Walgreens. There's so many ways that you can save when you're doing your holiday shopping, and there's no minimum for payout, which means you can actually get your cash quicker when using Top Cashback than some other online cashback sites. So let's quickly go through how you place an order on Top Cashback. You go to their website and click up on features and click browser extension and click the button that says install extension. And this is going to add a browser extension to your web browser. You can see here I'm using Chrome, so you just click the add to Chrome button, and this is going to install the browser. And I like to go up to that little puzzle piece once it's installed and click that, and then I can pin the browser extension so it's always on the front of my screen. Now what this is going to do is anytime you're on a website, you'll see me go to Sephora.com here, the browser extension will actually pop up and let you know that this website participates with Top Cashback. and it will inform you how much cash back is available for you to earn on your shopping trip. Once you get to your website, you can scroll down and see all the special deals and coupons that are offered. For example, here you can receive a free sample bag with any $50 merchandise purchase. So be sure to check out and see what other offers are available when you're using Top Cash Back. So I'm just going to take you through while I place an order here on Sephora.com. So all I have to do is click this Get Cash Back Now button, and it's going to take me right to their website. And here you will just go ahead and shop as you normally would. So I'm going to go ahead and spare you the pain and speed this up so you do not have to watch me browse through Sephora for about half an hour. But I did just want to quickly point out that if you look at the very top right of my screen here, you will see the 5% cashback highlighted right there on the Top Cashback browser extension, and that's going to let you know that you are currently shopping that 5% cashback deal. When you go to checkout, it's going to give you the option to try a bunch of different coupon codes. Unfortunately, they didn't work for me, but that's okay. I still get my 5% cash back. Now, as you can see, once I finish checking out and I go back to the website, it shows me that my visit was recorded and my cash back will be in my account soon. Thank you so much to Top Cash Back today for sponsoring this portion of the video. And Top Cash Back is actually offering a $10 welcome bonus. All you have to do is head to their site, sign up for an account, and make a $25 purchase using their website, and you will get $10 cash back, plus continue to use it for all your holiday shopping so you can earn as much cash back as possible and save as much money as possible. Tip number 3 is to price match. Now, I just want to make very clear that it's important to check with the specific retailer before you make your purchase and make sure you are clear on their price matching policies, especially when it comes to Black Friday, these rock bottom prices, as I know sometimes retailers tend to have exclusions on price matching when it comes to this time of year. So again, as the buyer, it's your responsibility to make sure you are well aware of the rules when you're making your purchase, but many stores do honor price matches. And that is great news for you as the buyer, because what I love about price matching is sometimes it can really save me time. For example, if I'm going and purchasing a whole bunch of items at Target and I want to purchase an electronic that's at Target, but it's actually cheaper at Best Buy, but maybe I don't have time or I don't feel like going to Best Buy, I can go ahead and make the purchase at Target and show them the price that it is being sold for at Best Buy. And again, depending on their policies, they will go ahead and match that exact same price that you paid at Best Buy. So depending on the specific situation, it can end up saving you not just money, but time and even gas as well. The next tip is to pay attention to Cyber Monday. I have noticed a couple times in the past few years that there have been some items that were actually on better sale on Cyber Monday than they were on Black Friday. So again, going back to tip number 1, make sure you're doing your research, especially if you're looking to purchase a big ticket item, an expensive electronic, a TV, something in that range that you're really putting out a lot of money and the savings could be substantial. Go ahead and check out what the different retailers are offering for Cyber Monday as well, so you can decide which day is better to actually make your purchase. The next tip is to make a list and stick to it. Now, I have been sharing about my free holiday budget planner, and you can go ahead and grab that in the description box down below. This is gonna walk you through step by step creating a holiday budget you can actually stick to. You're going to create a spending plan, a detailed gift list, and even determine exactly how much money you will need to save for the holiday season. So once you have your gift list, stick to it, right? When you're out there and you're doing your Black Friday shopping, it can be really easy to stray from that list, especially if you're anything like me and you are a sucker for a deal. So be very careful and make sure that you are planning out your shopping ahead of time so you don't fall victim to all of the shiny objects all around you, because that is the fastest way to bust your Christmas budget. And my last tip for you today is to use your cashback credit card when you're doing your shopping. So we save all of our money in a holiday sinking fund, yet I actually purchase all of the gifts I'm purchasing on our cashback credit card. I get the rewards for it, and I immediately pay off the credit card using the money from our holiday sinking fund. Especially if you have a lot of gifts to purchase over the holidays like we do, you can save a substantial amount of money and earn a substantial amount of rewards. And with the card I have, I can use the points to save money on travel. I can actually use the points to pay off the credit card, or I can use the points to just transfer the money directly into my bank account. So you truly are saving money. Now, I will go ahead and link the cashback credit card that I've used for years down below. We love it. We've had a great experience with them, and they offer a good amount of cash back with no yearly fee. And on top of that, another great way to save money when you're doing your Black Friday shopping is to actually use the points you have already accrued. So if you save up your points, you can use them to purchase your gifts. You can usually shop right from your credit card's website to use rewards, and in some instances, you can even get a lot more rewards depending on where you shop. For example, right now, my credit card is running a special that if I use my rewards to purchase items from Apple's website, my rewards are actually worth 5% more. Make sure you're on the lookout for different perks when you're using your cashback credit card, and you can really just start stacking these tips on top of one another and save a ton of money this Black Friday. I hope you found some of these tips helpful. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you again to Top Cashback for sponsoring a portion of this video, and don't forget to head down to the description box so you can sign up for Top Cashback and get your free $10 welcome bonus, and also download your free holiday budget planner. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending some time with me today. Best of luck to you all on Black Friday this year. I hope you save loads of money, and I hope you have a great day.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. And love just went cold.